Were these short IFVG setups really good today? When New York opened right here at 8:30, we left a nice wick to the upside, and price fully filled in this volume imbalance right here on the 5-minute. And the CPI wick down here also got swept out, so there is really no reason to go down, I feel like. So I was going to take this 1-minute inverse fair value gap right here for a long setup, but it became invalid, so I didn't take that, of course. And then price pushed up a little bit. We didn't fully sweep out all this liquidity up here, and we left a 1 hour/15-minute untapped fair value gap to the upside. There was also a 30-second right here. This is the 1-minute chart, but there's a 30-second right there. But if you don't trade the 30-second, there was a 1-minute play right here to take for a short. But I feel like the liquidity to the downside wasn't really that good. It was this low right here that swept out this low. And same thing with the break-even point. The break-even point was a wick that swept out another wick. And the risk to reward wasn't that good either. So I feel like this short setup wasn't good. And then after sweeping that liquidity, price started to go back up. And I didn't take any of the gaps on the 2 through 5-minute time frame. I waited for this 1-minute right here to inverse, because usually whenever price has a big push down with all red candles, this is a very strong resistance area. So I wanted price to break all of these gaps, and as you can see, it didn't, and we ended up forming this 1-minute short. And yeah, this short right here was a nice V shape. The final TP would have been this 15-minute low over here. That's also a untapped 1 hour gap. But yeah, in lifetime, I didn't know how to feel about this trade. I feel like the liquidity just wasn't that good to the downside. And yeah, I didn't end up taking any trades today, but let me know if you thought these trades were good.